Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I'm going to show you how to break Windows 7 8 8.1 10 password with your USB bootable flash. First of all, you have to download Lace Soft Recover My Password Home. The link is given in the description. You just connect your USB flash with your computer. I already connected and I already downloaded the software and just open. You have to select Burn CD USB disk launch bootable media build. As the same computer, you just click next, select USB flash and start. It will take 10 minutes to complete. It is creating USB bootable device. Just wait for minutes. As you can see, the USB is created. Bootable USB is created. Just click finish and I will show you. Here is my USB device. Here is the boot option. You just start your computer and connect your USB and simply boot in. I will show you in the next video.